Hey guys, it's Amanda, and WAMP just came out with some brand new features that's really going to change the way we source for Walmart and for Amazon. Since acquiring Bizmetrica a few months ago, they now have access to so much more data that has now given us these new features, such as historical charts, listing offers, listing badges, shortcuts, and the Buybox Analysis. These are all super great features, and I'm excited to dive in and show you each and every one of them. So first is the historical charts. Now this tells us where the price has been for this particular item. This can be over the span of a year, 3 months, 6 months. It just really depends on that type of item. This can really help you spot patterns or anything like that, especially if the price right now is $9.99, but it's for some reason over the past year it's been at a solid $24.99. So that's good to know that maybe this item is currently on sale and it will eventually go back up to that $24.99. This also kind of tells you where the sellers are and what they're pricing that item for, and just really gives you a solid information of that price and how long it's been doing and how long it's held that price. But this is just a really good information to have when you're sourcing for Walmart. Next is seller offers. Now this is incredibly important because this will tell you if you're able to send in an item through WFS, or if there are other sellers who are sending it through WFS, or if a listing is completely seller fulfilled. Now for me, when I see a listing that's only seller fulfilled, this to me indicates that you can send it in through WFS, and for some reason it could be like a hazmat, which it may or may not be, but either way you may not be able to send it through WFS. So this is really good, important to know, especially if you don't want to just add it into your catalog. Also, what I really like about this is it tells you how many seller has in stock. So they could have between 12, they could have more than 12, or they can just have a couple, and these stock counts are seemingly to be pretty accurate. And so that's really good to know when it comes to sourcing and how much you should buy, or if you should just skip it because Walmart has maybe over 1,000 units and you don't want to wait for that. So that's also very good to know. So next is the Buybox Analysis. This is also incredibly important because this shows you who is having the buy box and for how long and at what price point. For example, if Walmart's 100% of the buy box, then you probably don't want to jump on that listing because they're not rotating it and they're really not sharing it. And so that's really good to know. Or if you see a listing where everyone is kind of getting their turn, depends on the price point and the shipping, that's kind of where a buy box would rotate. But it's always good to know where the buy box is going, who is mainly dominating it. And this is also incredibly important, especially if I decide if I'm going to purchase something or not. So next is my favorite, and this is the one that I always use when I'm sourcing, and that is badges. Walmart tells us if an item is going to sell through badges. Now this can be through popular pick, bestseller, cart badges, which there's a variety of cart badges, which include in people's carts, 50 plus bought since yesterday, in 1,000 people's carts. The verbiage kind of differs per listing, but these are online sales, which is so important, especially when it comes to as e-commerce, because we want to know if an item is selling online. We don't really care if it's selling in store. Online is more important to us. So having these badges on WAMP and having it shown to us is incredibly important, and that is the one thing that I use when sourcing. So the next is shortcuts. Now this is where it's going to change for Amazon and Walmart. So let's say I'm looking at this Lego and I can see that it is online in Walmart for $69. So I just click this shortcut button and it pops up Seller Amp, which is what we use for Amazon. And now we can see it side by side of where it's at with Amazon and Walmart. Now this is amazing because on Amazon it's only going for $55. But for Walmart, it's going for $69. So I definitely would want to put this on Walmart versus Amazon. Because even though this is a Lego and we know it sells well, this also gives us the Amazon numbers. You know, if it sells well on Amazon, it typically does pretty well on Walmart. But for this one, I would definitely sell it on Walmart just to get a little bit more profit there. That is it for WAMP. Those features are so amazing, and I really challenge you to just try it because it's free right now. It has so many things available to us. There are so many other profit calculators out there right now, but they're all charging, and they're all giving you the same information that WAMP is giving to you for free. So please try it. You can download it. You can check out wamp.com and download the Chrome extension. I also have a video on that as well. But please try it. I love WAMP. It's going to be so great when comparing Amazon to Walmart at the same time. Please comment down below how long you've been using WAMP and what features you're most excited about. And I'll see you in the next one.